Hi, everybody. This is Nat Harris. I'm honored to be a presenter at the 2023 National Guild of Hypnotists Convention in Marlborough, Massachusetts. I'll be presenting Healing and Guided Imagery on Friday, August 11th. I hope to see you there. During this presentation, I'll be going over 10 steps that I've been using in my past presentations on how guided imagery can be used to help you with any personal challenges that you have. It could be physical, spiritual, emotional, whatever psychological, whatever it is. It's been well attended and well received. And it's basically for all levels. The 10 steps that I've gone over, or will go over, will basically be used with each participant to use in his or her own personal situations. So some people use notebooks, some people just sit there and take it all in. It really doesn't matter. The object is to have fun and to take those 10 steps and use it in your own personal challenges that you might have in your personal life. Again, so it's 10 steps that will be used with guided imagery as this mode during dealing with, again, personal challenges. It's for all levels, and as I said, I've been presenting, well in the past. It's been well received, and I really hope to see you there. August 11th, Friday. Hope to see you there. Take care.